God bless you. Okay, help her, help her. Make sure she doesn't go backwards. There you go. Yay, Clarita. Okay, guys, don't run. No running, Mama. Easy, easy. If now you're gonna owie, Mama. I told you. You okay? She's strong. She could do it. Okay, watch her back. Why did you get? Look at. You're gonna make her. You ready to go down the slide?
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Your first day going on the slide. Wow.
I think because she walked and her legs are moving more.
Could be. No, can you stand up first? There you go. Yeah, be careful.
1, 2, 3.
And then you go on the slide. Yay!
Not that
Mommy, let me see. Are you happy? Mommy, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Are you having fun? Meloncito lindo. My cotton candy. Make sure she sits. Make sure, help her sit. Wow.
She's good.
Yes. Wow, this is number what? 5? Okay. Watch the baby.
1, 2, 3.
I thought you were going down with her, Papa.
I was just waiting for her.
Okay, guys, we're going to get going. We're going to go get ice cream.
Oh, 2 more times, 2 more times.
2 more times.
Good.
Easy, easy. Slow it down. Slow it down. Bravo, Clarita. Don't go backwards, honey. I don't want you to fall backwards.
1, 2, 3.